Tree trimming in Lovington, in Illinois. A quiet afternoon. You hear a crack outside. A big branch has fallen on your fence. No storm, no warning signs. You remember seeing that branch for weeks, but thought, it can wait. We hear this often. I knew the branch looked weak, but it didn't seem urgent. Trees don't always warn you before causing damage. When branches break, you face repairs and costs. Thompson Tree Care finds those risky branches early. We trim them safely to protect your home. We do more than cut branches. We help trees stay healthy and look good. Well-trimmed trees live longer and add beauty. Here's what we offer in Lovington and nearby areas. Remove heavy or weak limbs that could break. Thin and shape trees to improve health and appearance. Clear branches from roofs, driveways, and power lines. Honest advice with no pressure or surprise fees. Ignoring tree trimming is like ignoring a small leak in your roof. It might seem fine now, but can lead to big problems. A quick trim today can stop damage tomorrow. Call Thompson Tree Care at 765-590-1235 or visit thompsontreeservice.com for a clear estimate. Don't wait for a branch to fall. Protect your home with a trim today.